Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to easily unshare your Glo mobile data step-by-step guide tutorial. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone dialer. So I'm going to click on here, open up my dialer. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you type *321#, then hit on send, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click on here, and the next thing you need to do is to simply type number 2, and the next thing you need to do here is to simply click on send. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on here, and then for you to unshare data, type 2 and hit on send. And this is going to pump up. Right here, what you need to do is to enter the number that you want to unshare your data right here. So I'm going to enter the number right here. So once you enter the number, hit on send. You have successfully removed this particular number from sharing your plan subscription. And the person will also receive a message that the data have stopped sharing with them on Glo without any stress. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.